my channel. My name is Rhonda and I'm also known as the Sparkly One. Today I'm just going to do a little bit of a crochet update for you and let you know what I've been working on. So the first thing that I wanted to share is the scarf that I'm wearing, and this scarf I just made recently. I'll link the video right here so you can see the scarf that I'm talking about. And it's kind of done with an open mesh, but at the same time it does have double crochets in it. And it's just really simple and really easy, and it's more like, it adds like a pop of color around your face. And it doesn't necessarily keep you warm because it's kind of a lightweight one, but I think it's really pretty and I think you'll really like it. And it makes a great gift too. And the nice thing about it is that you can turn it around, and as you can see, whoops, it just came untied. That's how it goes on. So all you have to do, it's like a kerchief or a scarf. It almost reminds me of, like, you know, putting a scarf around your head like that. If you made it smaller, you could totally use it for that. But it's really nice just to have some nice color around your face. And also it would keep you a little bit warm if you put it underneath the jacket. So I thought that was really pretty, and this is an easy project to make. And this yarn is actually called Zest Wishes, and it's made by Hobby Lobby, and it is their sugar wheel yarn. So I'll go ahead and link that in the description box and along with the video. And I also have it in this color, which is called Spirit by Mandala Yarn. And I do have a shawl that I made with the same exact pattern, and I'll link that right here so you can see that. But this is done in the Dreamy scarf pattern. And all you're going to do is slide it over your head, and it's the same as the one I just showed you in Zest Wishes, but I did put a little bit of a scallop border on this. I don't show that in the video, but I'm sure that most of you know how to do that if you're an accomplished crocheter. I also have another scarf, and I want to show you that, and let me just take this off and put that on. Even here in Southern California, it gets a little chilly. Today it's only about 66 degrees and it's going to get down to 47, so I think that's pretty chilly. But I made these scarves a few months ago, and they are knitted. So if you're a knitter and you want to learn how to make these scarves, I am going to link that right here as well, and you can go ahead and make these. They're really simple. And this one right here has these little pom-poms on it that I made, and I do have a pom-pom maker. And I do have another video that I'll link right here too, which is how to make the pom-poms. And they're really easy and fun. And I think that ordering that pom-pom maker is a lifesaver. It makes it so much easier. And then this scarf has tassels, which are just really easy to make. And I show that in the video on how to make those. But these scarves are meant to be worn like so. Here, I'll show you. So it's made kind of, it goes at this really long point right here. And what's nice about it is that you can take it like this, and you're going to wrap it around your neck and back to the front. And of course, pull out your hair. And then what you do is you just tie it like this. So you can make this as long or as short as you want. I suggest making it a little long like this one. I do have shorter ones, but they don't tie as good, and I don't know. It just looks better like this. If you have a really cold winter, this is going to be your perfect accessory that you're going to go to and grab all the time because it's really warm and cozy. And it goes up really nice and high around your neck, and I think it's a really fun one to make and give as gifts as well. So I'm going to undo this, and I'm going to move on to the next thing. So this is so comfy and cozy, and as you can see, it just slips right over your head, and it's totally reversible, so there's no wrong side or right side. And I have a video right here which I'll link for you that I just released. It's a turtleneck poncho, and so you can make it any length you want. So this you probably wear under a jacket to just keep your shoulders warm and your neck warm. And then the poncho is long. You can make that as long as you want. So if you want a plus size, then I would probably add about 10 chains because this will fit tightly over your head. And if you make it the same size I did, but just keep going, it might not be big enough. So you need a little bit more of a bigger collar, like a wider collar. So I think this is really pretty, and I hope you like this one and all the other projects, and I will link them all in the description box. Okay, so here's the poncho, and as you can see, this is like a beautiful mint green. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna take it and you're gonna open it up and throw it on your head, just like that. So let me go ahead and stand up, move my chair out of the way. Okay, of course I don't have the camera high enough, but I'm gonna show you. And hopefully I'm not cutting off my head. But as you can see, it fits perfectly and it comes right down, you know, to the top of your thighs. And this one I did make a little bigger than the other ones that I show in the video, but it's super pretty. I love it. How cute are these pumpkins? I actually just released this video. Whether you like to knit or crochet, you'll be able to make one of these pumpkins. And it's just in time for the fall. So these would be perfect as your decorations. So this one I made with a sparkly yarn, which is always my favorite. And then this one right here in the dark brown is the knitted version. And then this one is knitted. So I have the 2 knitted and 2 crocheted. So if you want to learn how to make those, I will link that in the description box, and also I'll put an iCard right here for you to click on. And I'm going to show you, I just bought these mandala yarns today. I went to Joann Fabrics and they were $3.99 and they're normally $8.99. So I couldn't resist buying them, but I have bought them at Walmart before and they were only $2.61 at Walmart. But if you go on any of those apps or websites, look in the clearance section for the yarn on the website, because you'll be able to find yarn that is on sale. So like I said, I got these at Joann's today and I bought these 4. And you can tell they have the old packaging, but one of them, is it this one? No, this one, whoops. This one right here has the new packaging. So they've had these a while. Let me put on my glasses so I could read these things. Oh, these are in the color Harpy. So the black and white and gray are in the color Harpy. And I think that would make a really beautiful shawl. So if you like shawls, I'm going to be making another shawl, and I think I'm going to use these colors. And then, let me put these over here. These are in the color, look, they totally delivered those to me in a big mess. And I used their curbside pickup, so all I did was order them this morning. They were ready within 2 hours, and I just drove up and got them hand delivered to my car. And my husband was like, wait, how did you get that done so quickly? And I'm like, it's great, just go to the app and you can order whatever you want. And I highly recommend doing that so you don't have to go in and spend more money. And these are in the color Brownie. Look how beautiful. They are so pretty, and I think that you're really gonna like these colors up close and personal. I was ordering them, like I said, from the app, and I didn't know what to expect, but I'm very happy that I got them because they are so pretty. And I know that I can make some really great projects with these, and these colors are very popular today. So I'm gonna have no problem finding someone to make something special for. And look how cute they go with the pumpkins. There's one more item that I wanna show you. And, you know, just to let you guys know, I am super interested in what you guys want me to make, because I hate to say this, but in the last like 9 months, 10 months, my views have dropped off dramatically, and I have not been posting as much, only because I've been pretty busy. I've been working, and I also am editing for a friend of mine. I'm editing her videos, and her name is Robin Elizabeth, and she has a YouTube channel called Delight in Discipling. And if you're a Christian woman, you are gonna love her YouTube. She talks about so many wonderful things about the Lord and how to disciple others, and, you know, helping them along in their Christian walk, and how to minister to other people and disciple other people to strengthen them so that they can share their faith. So if you are a woman of faith and you want a really great channel to give you some good foundational theology, I would recommend her channel. And I feel so blessed because I get to edit all her videos, and I get to see it before anybody else does. Every time I edit her videos, I am so excited because I get a little bit more each time out of her videos to help me grow as a Christian. And she was in charge of women's ministry at our church for over 25 years. And she has imparted her wisdom and her godly values into our lives, and especially mine. I just really feel like the Lord has blessed me through her and a lot of other women at our church. So it really helps you to keep rooted in your faith. So I highly recommend it. I'll put an iCard right here to her channel and you can check out her videos. Okay, last but not least, this is Hometown Lion Brand yarn. And as you can see, here is the wrapper. And this is a size 6 bulky weight yarn, and this is 81 yards. And I found this on the Walmart website a few months ago, and it was $1.42 a skein. And I was so excited because I thought, what a great deal that was. So I bought 10 skeins, so that means I have 810 yards. And this particular one is 81 yards per skein. So I have 10 of them. I have 810 yards. I believe I will be making a corner-to-corner rectangle blanket. So if that's something that you're interested in, please, please, please let me know yes or no if you'd like to see that blanket, because I do have a video of a shawl. And I'll put that right here. And I said it's a beautiful shawl, and it really is. And I did that in a corner to corner. And I used Nazazia's pattern from Naztazia. And I'm sure all of you have heard of her. She's a very talented woman who does amazing projects. And her little girl sometimes is in there helping her out. And it's so wonderful. I highly recommend you going to her YouTube and checking out all of her amazing videos. So anyway, I really think that this is what I'm gonna make, is a blanket that's a corner to corner. So please let me know if you'd like me to make that corner to corner blanket, because I know that some of the comments on my shawl, people have asked, can you make this into a rectangle? And I never knew if I could or not, but I found a pattern that I can use, and I will put that in the description box when I make the video. So just let me know what you'd like to see next. And also let me know if you're gonna make one of these ponchos, because they're super comfy. And I really thought that maybe it would be a good idea to make those for our senior women who are in like a convalescent home or maybe bedridden or something, because you can just put it over your head. You don't have to put your arms in there. So I think like if you're sitting in bed and you're bedridden, maybe you just had surgery or something, you can just slip this over your head. Even if you hurt your shoulder or your arm or whatever, you can always put it over and keep your shoulders warm. And there's no like trying to fit your arm into a sleeve, because I remember when I hurt my arm, I fell, I tripped over my dishwasher and I flew on the floor like Superwoman, straight on my face. And I'll put a little picture here of what happened. And my son took a picture of me, and I was so embarrassed, but I hurt myself, and I didn't think I hurt myself for like 2 or 3 days. And all of a sudden, like a whiplash, right? It's like that couple days later where you start feeling it, which I've had too, by the way, a whiplash. But nothing is fun when you're getting hurt. So I was chopping onions and I fell with the onions in my hand, tripped over the dishwasher. And yeah, it wasn't pretty. But anyway, I got through it. That was like 3 years ago. And boy, did it take a long time to heal. So this would have come in so handy at the time, especially during the cold months where I tried to put my arm in a jacket and I couldn't do it because my husband had to help me. So, or washing your hair, oh, forget it. Everything is painful when you're hurt. And I think that would be really helpful for someone who just went through surgery or an elderly person. And anyway, I just thought I would share all of these projects with you today, because I know that if you're like me and you have a bunch of different projects that you're working on, it's always nice to have comfort knowing that everyone else is going through the same thing. So anyway, please let me know if you like this video. Just like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have a great day. God bless you guys. Take care. Bye.